Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn British English Free on YouTube. The last lesson was a bit serious, sorry about a bad news story and associated vocabulary. My name is Chris, I'm an English teacher in the UK. So in this lesson I wanted to do something less serious and share some British or native English knowledge to do with slang. On the channel I like to teach about British vocabulary, grammar and slang. And I have a word today which is probably new for many people. It's quite new for me too. Please check the notes below on YouTube or above for the examples and the captions, subtitles on the screen. The word is to phub, P-H-U-B, or phubbing. Remember, PH often makes the F sound in English, phub and phubbing. It's one of these new words which we create by joining two existing words together. We need the phone. In Britain, this is a mobile phone or a smartphone, normally a smartphone, not a cell phone, please. That's American. We take the phone and the verb snub, which is like ignore. You ignore someone, you snub them. Maybe it can be used as reject as well, to reject, to snub. Phone and snub equals phub. And we put the two meanings together as well. You're talking to me, but I'm not listening. I'm more interested in my phone. I'm phubbing you. To ignore someone by using your phone instead of listening to them. Some examples to help with the verb. I took her to a fancy restaurant, but she phubbed me all evening. I took her to a fancy restaurant, but she spent the whole evening phubbing me. Don't worry, it happens. We can also use it as a sort of noun, of course. Phubbing isn't the best social activity. Phub, phubbing. A new English slang word. To use your phone instead of listening to someone, to ignore them by using your phone. Phub and phubbing. That's it. Thank you. My name is Chris. This is a British slang lesson for YouTube. Learn British English Free. There we are. I publish these lessons on Facebook as well, on the British English page. And on my website, learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Thank you for your time. Please do write comments. Do you like the lesson or not? Do you understand the lesson or not? Any other ideas or suggestions would be cool. I will be back with some other grammar and vocabulary lessons soon from the UK. So I will see you then. Bye for now.